Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Safira Amelia Salsabil Hermansyah, NIM J1A119189. In this presentation, I want to explain about community intention in the whistle-blowing system development for smoke-free zone law enforcement in Kendari City, Sulawesi Tenggara, Province, Indonesia. Next, the background is Kendari City is one of the municipalities that have a vision as a livable city in 2025. Through the ecology, information, and technology base its mission. The concept of livable city is believed by the city government of Kendari as the last phase 3 to be achieved through sustainable development in phase 1 of a smart and clean city, and phase 2 of a city in a park, namely Green City. Phase 1, which was realized in 2007 until 2012, was based on ecological approach in structuring the city of Kendari without ignoring social and economic aspects. In order to minimize or reduce the impact of cigarette smoke on the environment, the Kendari city has set SFZ regulation through the Regional Regulation Number 16 of 2014. However, to date, related stakeholder states that there are no optimal indicator that can identify the reduction in the negative impact of cigarette smoke through regional SFZ regulation. On the other hand, referring to the utilization of IT as the Kendari City mission, it is also not yet optimal, especially in the visual reporting function. Thus, an approach needs in developing a web-based application and measuring community intention to support the application of WBS to the SFZ regulation in Kendari City. Next, methods. The study design used to determine the independent variable with dependent variables with quantitative cross-sectional. Subject of the quantitative survey in this study were the wall response smokers chosen and willing to become the subject of research in 8 areas specified as SFZ in Kendari. Result: WBS application for SFZ regulation in Kendari City. The WBS application for SFZ regulation was created as a tool to assist local government in terms of SFZ supervision in Kendari City. The front view of the application as shown in Figure 1. This application has two modules, namely home and complaint form. Next, WBS intention for SFZ regulation. Most people of Kendari City have good intention in using WBS for SFZ regulation law enforcement. Based on the inferential analysis of factors that influence intention to use WBS for SFZ regulation, 3 variables contribute to the final analysis of multivariate, namely A, type of work, and support. Although all of these variables did not show a direct relationship, but these variables contribute indirectly in measuring intention using WBS for SFZ regulation. Discussion: Kendari City has established SFZ regulation since 2014. However, people have poor knowledge about this regional regulation. This can lead to a lack of adherence to SFZ regulation in public places where smoke is prohibited. violation of a misdemeanor is finally to be anticipated both in terms of appeal and enforcement of penalty. Anticipation through the function of monitoring and evaluation of regulation is essential in ensuring the enforcement of SFZ regulation in the regulated area. WebS provides an opportunity to present internal reporting in real time so that it can be followed up responsibly based on real evidence constitutionally. Prohibit smoking behavior in SFZ regulation can be reported by capturing chalk image by the reporter. It can be directly sent via an online application in the gadget of each reporter. Conclusion: the community intention of Kendari City in the development of WBS to SFZ regulation relate to or tends to get the support of society indirectly. The community intention in using WBS for SFZ regulation also indirectly tends to be used by the younger group of age and the type of work of private employees. Further studies are needed to make one of the SFZ as a pilot project in the implementation of the WBS educational institution as a pledge for teenagers and students. And the last, acknowledgement. Support for this study was provided by the Center for Islamic Economic and Business, Universitas Indonesia, with funding award by Bloomberg Philanthropies to Johns Hopkins University. Its content is solely the responsibility of the author and do not necessarily represent the official views Bloomberg Philanthropies or Johns Hopkins University.